Well, I have to tell you folks, I Let It In and It Took Everything is a truly fantastic album. And when I say fantastic, I mean it in the most profound and unequivocal sense. This is an album that demands your attention, and it does so with a level of intensity that is simply unparalleled. Now let's take a closer look at some of the standout tracks on this album. First up is Aggressive Evolution. This song is an absolute tour de force of heavy music. The way the guitars and drums interlock is just so precise and so brutal, and the vocals are delivered with a level of aggression that is simply awe-inspiring. It's a perfect opener for the album, and it really sets the tone for what's to come. Next up is Two-Way Mirror. This song is a real highlight of the album, and it's easy to see why. The way the song builds and evolves is just masterful, and the chorus is absolutely haunting. The lyrics, too, are incredibly introspective and thought-provoking. This is a track that demands your attention, and it does so with a level of intensity that is simply undeniable. New Faces in the Dark is another standout track. This song is just pure chaos, and it's an absolute joy to listen to. The way the guitars and drums interplay is just so mesmerizing, and the breakdown towards the end of the song is absolutely bone-chilling. The vocals, too, are incredibly intense, and the lyrics paint a vivid picture of inner turmoil and struggle. Is It Really You is another track that really stands out. It's a bit more melodic than some of the other songs on the album, but it's no less heavy. The way the guitars and vocals work together is just beautiful, and the chorus is so damn catchy. The lyrics, too, are incredibly emotional and heartfelt. A Sad Cartoon is another standout track, and it's one of my personal favorites. This song is a bit more experimental than some of the other tracks on the album, but it's no less effective. The way the song shifts and changes is just so interesting, and the vocals are delivered with such emotion. The lyrics, too, are incredibly powerful, and they really hit home. And finally, there's the title track, I Let It In and It Took Everything. This song is an absolute monster, and it's a perfect closer for the album. The way the guitars and drums work together is just so powerful, and the breakdown towards the end of the song is just so damn intense. The vocals, too, are delivered with such raw emotion, and the lyrics are incredibly introspective and thought-provoking. It's a song that demands your attention, and it does so with a level of intensity that is simply unmatched. In conclusion, I Let It In and It Took Everything is a truly amazing album, and the tracks Aggressive Evolution, Two-Way Mirror, New Faces in the Dark, Is It Really You, A Sad Cartoon, and the title track are all standout examples of just how brilliant this album truly is. It's a must-listen for any fan of heavy music, and it's an album that will leave you in awe of the sheer talent and intensity of Loathe.